Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan. You are watching UAE Tech Support. Today I want to show you how to make data in your mobile 5 way. So there is 5 way how to make data. So please watch this full video until end. So you will learn how to make this data for with the number key. Okay, so let's start my video. So guys, dial star 777 #. So here you can see enjoy unlimited data by paying the minutes, yani every minutes. If you example use for 10 minutes, you have to pay for 10 minutes. So you can choose number one is regular speed and two is low speed. So if you want to normal speed like a regular speed, you have to press 1, reply 1. Then you can see here. So here you can see every so if you want to subscribe, just start 1, or you can, if you want to stop, you can press 2, or if you want to check the status, press 3. So more info 4, and super her access. So here you can see there is you can check for like super her, will check for super her, press 5. Then here you can see 1 hour 3 dirham, if you use 3 or 6 dirham. So there is two option. If you want to example 1 hour 3 dirham, this one it will work for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Messenger, and WhatsApp. Everything will be work this one. Okay, so I'll just go back for 3. Okay, I'll go back again, star 3 #. So if you want to see example number 3, 150 MB for 4 dirham 20 fields. So this one also working everything. Okay, so number 4, 250 MB social data. This one only Facebook and Messenger and WhatsApp, this one will work. Okay, 200 social means you can use only social application. So 4 dirham, this one I think better will be 3 dirham, 150 MB for 4 dirham, but it will be work everything. Okay, so we'll just check for the low speed what is they have. So here we can see also same like yeah, two fields every minute. Okay, so for more info, so they will send a message. My second option is star 135 #. Press OK. Then here you can see there is a 4 option. 4 option. There is 4 option. One is a combo package, and number 2 is a data package, voice package, country specific package, new. So here we will check for 1, then reply 1. So here you can see combo balance inquiry, you can check, and combo weekly, if you want to do something weekly you can do, and for 28 days also. Example, we will check for weekly what we have. So light combo 21 dirham, and there is a super combo 35 dirham. So if light combo what is there, we'll check 1. So here is showing enjoying local data of 170 MB at 200 kps, and 10 flexi minute per day, renewal every 7 days. So this for 7 days, 175 every day they will give, and 10 flexi minutes they will give. This for 21 dirham you can do for weekly. So we'll just go, sorry, we'll go back again. So this is the combo, you can check there if you which one is prefer for you, so you can choose from there. And number 2 is we'll check what is they have for now, data balance, and there is a new daily pack and 28 days pack also, and everyday data. So here you can check what is your requirement, if you want monthly, if you want daily, if you want everyday data. So you can choose from here, there is a lot of option. So we'll check for the example for monthly what they have, 3. Then here you can see social, if you want to use 20 dirham, there is monthly, and local data 33 dirham, double data 50 dirham. This is for all for monthly. Okay, so we'll just go back. Then here you can choose which one you want to active. And there is, if you example, if you want to deactivate something, like example, I want to deactivate the offer like number 3. So example, the first one. So here you can see there is the add means if you want to active, and if you want to deactive, so you have to press 2, remove. Okay, so like this, you guys, can this third option, we'll just go on mobile dial pad, then just dial *800#. So here you can see play on demand, unlimited video and 5 fields a minute. So this one is every minute you can use for this one. And if you want to subscribe, just press 1 start. And if you want to cancel, just reply 2. And if you want to check and status, dial 3. And there is for super hours, example, if you want to use for like 1 hour, 2 hour, you can do for here. Example, you have to dial 5. Then here you can see this, if you want to subscribe for 1 hour 3 dirham, and 2 is 3 hours 6 dirham. So 1 hour 3 dirham, 3 hour 6 dirham. So better for 3 hours you can use for 6 dirham. Okay, so this the option of 800, you can subscribe for this. So guys, my fourth option is dial *101#. Here you can see for account management, there is a lot of option for your maintenance or on your SIM card. And number 2 is for data, and number 3 for voice, and 4 combo, social special offer for 5, roaming 6, other 7. So if you want to change your language, you can change for 8, number 8. So here we'll check for the data, number 2. For the data, here you can see if you want for check the balance, you can check like this, press 1. And number 2 is new daily pack. So if you want to for every day, you have to choose for number 2. And for if you want monthly, like for 28 days, you have to choose for 28 days. So I'll check for now for daily pack what is offering. So number 2, here you can see there is for social data 2 dirham, and there is local data 3 dirham. So this social data, you can use only Facebook, Twitter, and Messenger, and WhatsApp. Okay, so the local data is for 3 dirham. This one 3 dirham you can use for everything. So for double data 5 dirham, this one also you can use everything. So we'll check for example local data what is their offering. Press 2. Then here you can see 150 MB local data, 200 KB speed. So for renewal daily for 3 dirham. If you want to add, just press 1. If you want to unsubscribe, just press 2. Okay, we'll just go back, then we'll see here. So here you can see for that one, if you want to use for only WhatsApp and Messenger and Facebook, you can choose only social data for 2 dirham. Okay, we'll check for double data for 5 dirham what they are offering. Then you'll see 150 for social data and 150 for local data. So this one they will give you for Facebook, WhatsApp and Messenger, you can use for social data. And then other local data, this one you can use for other all the apps like YouTube, like any browser, you can do it for that. And this is speed also very high speed. Let's say you can see there is a 400 KB speed. Renew for every day daily 5 dirham only. So this one will be add for BAT also. So if you want to subscribe, you can click 1, and if you want to unsubscribe 2. So this is the option for 5 dirham. We'll just go back. So this one we see already. So we can check for back. We'll just go for monthly what they have. Back. So here you can see the for daily pack we saw already. So we'll check for the monthly what is they are offering. So here you can see social data for 20 dirham, local data for 33 dirham, double pack. So it's same what I said before. Social data you can use for Facebook, WhatsApp and Messenger. only this one will be work. And the other local data you can do for everything, you can do browsing, you can use YouTube. So this one for monthly. Okay, just go on mobile pad, then star 800 star 5 hash. So here you can see this is actually for every hour. Here you can see one is super hour, 1 hour 3 dirham. So there is 3 or 6 dirham. So this is already, I think it's same, but it's directly you can use for this option. This code you can use for directly if you want to use for every hour. So I think this video will be helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much guys.